Next chord is the D minor chord. Really easy chord. Just play it with the last 4 strings again. So they share the same root note, which is D, open D, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, middle finger, 2nd fret of the G, then 3rd fret on B string with your ring finger, and then the last one is 1st fret with your index on the high E. So the note is basically changing from this to half a step to make it minor. So from D major to a minor note. And this is how it's played. Flat thumb, keep it steady, keep the pressure on, so you let up as soon as you feeling any fatigue or you're just not playing anymore. So then you don't experience a cramping because you're always kind of giving yourself a break in between your playing. Practice every day, 15 minutes a day.